So, as some of you might know, just recently I had a video removed because it went against community guidelines on TikTok. This, first of all, made me incredibly cross, for want of a better word. So, firstly, the reason that I recorded that video was that on that particular day, 11 o'clock in the morning, I was absolutely exhausted. Burnout was imminent, and my daughter really wanted to go for a sea swim. And I pushed through pure exhaustion, and I kept reminding myself it's going to be good for us both, it's going to be good for me, and it's going to be a chance to make our time together special. So we went down to the beach and we had a sea swim, and indeed the minerals in the sea just brightened up my day. You know, just the cold water. I'm an advocate for cold water swimming. It really helps with mental health. It's just a reset that I need. So I did a quick spin of myself and my surroundings just to show everyone where I was, and gave the title A Sea Dip Cures Lethargy, which it did. The second thing that I said is that me and my daughter both needed that today. Then I filmed her doing a quick spin, laughing away with innocent joy and happiness. A few things happened when I saw that the video had been pulled down. I sat here feeling uncomfortable, feeling criticised by an algorithm, not even a person. It still sent off all of the red flags within me. I did the video to show that you can push through adversity with a proactive activity, with bonding and connection. And there are things out there that really help, that are free and that are beautiful. And that was the message. That was a deep message that I really wanted to send out to everyone. I felt this immediate need to take the video down like I had done something wrong, because this safety culture that we're in at the moment, it, on the whole, quite restrictive. Because these are some of the things that obviously we're all thinking out there, and we immediately jump because we're so used to being conditioned to be told what to do. I'll take that. I'll take the verse warning TikTok. You know, that's fine. But I'm going to push back, make sure that the original message gets further out there. So I'm going to recreate this video. The spin that my daughter does is going to be called The Spin of Freedom. And if you want to stitch it, please feel free to do so, because it's really repressive, this world at the moment. We're struggling in every aspect of our lives. And I just feel like creative problem solvers are needed in this world now more than ever. I break the rules, but sometimes rules need to be broken. So watch this space. This is for everyone that's feeling repressed and censored. Everyone that's fighting through their own adversity, no matter what that is. For people trying to better their lives and make positive progress with themselves and their families. Our rights to protest are almost non-existent. So let's reframe this positively. My original message was trying to make a change for positive that resulted in an innocent, happy spin. And the rest, algorithm, is history.